Nice, good start.
The last gate's
Oh no.
yeah.
I chugged right here and I was so bad.
I bet you do.
Oh, that's hard.
Okay. That's cool right here. Yeah, I like that bill.
Okay. My lady is having a car.
Wanna watch gates with you?
Yeah, just let me know.
Why would it be in my car?
No, it was in
That's the problem on this course.
I know.
It's super skinny,
I lost it.
which is why if you notice I'm like,
You're pretty
Save or save.
yeah, I'm gonna grab it. Well, this is more than an index. This is
Just completely normal.
yeah.
We got it.
Like right here, the apexes. Well, the apexes they're too wide, so they get kicked off like here. So, at the ball, it's jumping.
Yeah, it would be sick if you went through that.
Joe's creation.
No, you're good. Is yours a high steer?
I don't know, actually. Well, it's got.
And these tires suck.
I was gonna
Out
say.
there, these tires.
I was gonna say those tires are my favorite. I like.
Through here? Oh, yeah.
I had to step it
But
up.
if you stay to the far right, you can
Strip
go
out
out
the I went through like 3 sets of wheels
But
in a day.
take the right,
And
not
it really pissed me off, so I just didn't know what design I had ready. I actually did not want to fix it.
They're high steer, actually.
Oh, okay.
Well, they're apex
That's cool
active.
when we use
I'm sorry. So
design
yeah,
software, we get inventive. It's like,
You got more steering than I do. Turn.
Oh. Yeah, I like that line. Nice.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look at the angle he's got.
Oh, you haven't upgraded the turbo.
Yeah.
You can. Oh, dude, keep driving it.
I was like, that was good.
Yeah, I do not have.
Joe, can I hear it?
I do not have that reason. But it's a smart idea to cut that way.